Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi recently unveiled the Redmi 6 series in India, and in this video we are going to pit Redmi 6 Pro in a speed test against its rival from Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Can Redmi 6 Pro match Note 5 Pro in performance? Let's find out in this video. The Note 5 Pro is powered by best budget processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 636 with 4GB of RAM. On the other hand, 6 Pro is powered by Xiaomi's favorite same old Snapdragon 625 processor with 4GB of RAM. Both phones run the latest version of software available by the time this video was recorded. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. Let's kick things off with a boot up test. The Redmi 6 Pro booted up in just 27 seconds, whereas Note 5 Pro took 33 seconds to get started. Both phones are connected to the same wireless network and all backgrounding apps have been cleared. Let's start the timer. First off, let's open some system-based apps. When opening basic apps like phone, settings and Instagram, I did not notice any difference between both phones. Note 5 Pro loaded games a tad bit faster than Redmi 6 Pro. The difference in performance between Snapdragon 636 and Snapdragon 625 can be seen while loading games. This provided advantage to Note 5 Pro in the first round, which took 1 minute and 36 seconds to finish the first round. The Redmi 6 Pro on the other hand took 1 minute and 39 seconds to finish the first round. In the second round, we'll check the RAM management capabilities of both phones. This is where Note 5 Pro's performance takes a hit, as the phone had only 4 apps in memory and started reloading all apps from Subway Surface. To my surprise, Redmi 6 Pro managed to keep all apps in memory and just took 26 seconds to finish the second round. Note 5 Pro took 65 seconds to finish the second round as the phone suffers from RAM management issues. As you can see in our early test, Note 5 Pro did manage to keep all apps in memory. With MIUI 9.5 update, the phone suffers from RAM management issues. With Snapdragon 636 and 4GB RAM under the hood, is it necessary to aggressively limit background process? I wish Xiaomi should fix these issues in upcoming updates. The winner of the speed test is our new budget speed test champ, the Redmi 6 Pro. This does not mean Redmi 6 Pro is better than Note 5 Pro in any means. With Snapdragon 625 and 4GB RAM on board, if Redmi 6 Pro can keep all apps in memory, why not the Redmi Note 5 Pro? So what do you guys think about the Redmi 6 Pro performance against the Note 5 Pro? Share your thoughts on the comment section or in polls. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.